Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
Hey guys, it's Andy from motoscades&coffee, and today we got a little spring cleaning sale going on. All these games are going to be for sale. I got some oddities and rarities, as well as some classics and some just staples of the arcade. So we'll have full social distancing going on. You can come in, just pick them up and check them out and pull right up and go take them away. So let's take a look at these games that we have and let me know any questions you have and what you want to see more of. So we have a very nice Gauntlet Legends. It's a pristine cabinet with a LCD conversion. One of the few games I recommend to do a LCD conversion on. Plays 100%, just gorgeous. Pacman with a rebuilt board. It's one of the nicest Pacmans I've seen. It plays great, monitor's beautiful. A little bit of wear on one of the sides, but really a nice game. Very nice Millipede, again, rebuilt board, very nice shape. The control panel is very nice. It works 100%. Missing one of the cones, not the button, but the cone, so we just have a little make-do washer. Galaga, again, rebuilt board, very nice shape. Plays 100%. Both side edges are very nice. And a Mechanized Attack. Love this game. It's a shooter, first-person shooter. It's one of the smaller ones. It plays 100%. Beautiful monitor. The sound goes in and out a little bit. It's just shaky on the speakers. I'll go ahead and adjust the speakers, or you can do it yourself. It's just the connections themselves. All right, we'll take a look at some of the other ones. Part of my collection is a Sega Lock-On. Has the same control stick as Star Wars. It's pretty fun. This one does not have side art and it's painted. Sounds like the fan's a little loud in there. I'd go ahead and adjust that. Very cool play game. There's a Zaxxon. I need to fix the rolling screen. I just need to twist it, but the screen holds fine. This cab's a little bit rougher. No side art, but it plays and looks fantastic. And then, well, that one's really special. That's my Hershey Park Space Invader. It's the text mounted, the screen front facing, and the back is painted like the sides here from the factory. Hershey Park featured it in their arcade, their 1978 Starlight Arcade, as a feature game. I can tell you more about it if you're interested. But this one is for sale. Regular Space Invaders, very nice condition. And looking good. I also have a Karate Champ that plays beautiful. Very nice control panel. Sorry, I can't get to the plug, but it does play very nicely. We have two of my absolute favorites here. I love cruis'nworld. This is one of the uprights. A much rarer game, actually, than the sit-down, and so much better to play just because it doesn't take up so much room. It's a little temperamental sometimes as far as booting up, but when it does, it's pretty solid. It plays 100%. This was really pretty, some really cool features on it. I need to hook the controls up, but it seems to play very nice. The bottom's a little bit beat up, so some boards were put on there. I think it looks just fine. Very cool graphics. Monitor's nice on both those games. Here's another of the rarities or oddities I have for sale. It's a Taito Space Invaders Cabaret in really good shape. A couple little dings and things, but what makes this one extremely rare, it's one of the lowest serial numbers made. It's either number 105 or 5. Pretty sure this was a pre-production, and it has a matching board as well too. Sorry, it's a little dark. They converted it to left and right with buttons instead of joystick. I'm pretty sure that was kind of pre-production or just a prototype, just for the low serial number. So if you can see it. It says 105, but I don't know if it's 5 or 105. Good shape. The board's scrambled, the monitor's good. Should be an easy fix. Okay, I got Cocktail Row here. I got a Space Invaders 2. I'm gonna take some pictures in the light so you can see. This has a custom designed top. There's a multi-cade. It's dressed up as Galaga. It's a 9-in-1, but I can put a 16-in-1. Plays fine. Very nice. And then this is a very rare Macrocosm Wars. You'll never see another one in your lifetime. And nothing with the art, the marquee art, or the art on the top there. That's custom designed. It matches the graphics of the little insert there. I custom designed it, put it in there. It's a knockoff of Galaxian. There's a little bit of chip right there, but it's tempered glass, so no big deal. And that's new glass on this, and new glass on this one. All right. Let me turn the lights on so you can see better. All right, so there is the custom top. You can see I made it blue. I just used a natural cut in the wood to get there. I thought it looked pretty cool. Again, just like Galaga, has a new top to it, new art, LCD monitor, and the Macrocosm Wars. Beautiful monitor. They all play. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed some of my games and looking at the spring cleaning list that I have. If you have any questions on any of these games, just let me know and I'll let you know. I'll probably put the prices in the description. If not, you can message me and I will let you know what I'm asking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel, and let me know what else you'd like to think. So thanks for stopping by. Space Invader with the painted back door from the factory. Very low serial number, featured in their 1978 Starlight Arcade. If you want to know more about it, I'll let you know.